In this video, I'm going to show you how to do filters in Google Sheets. So I have this Google Sheet here, just listing iPad models that we have, and I'm going to want to filter out a specific model. So I'm going to select the column that I want to filter. I'm going to come up here to the filter icon, and I'm just going to click on it. And then you have a funnel over here. I'm going to select it. I'm going to clear all and only select the ones that I want. So I only want 7s and 8s. Click OK, and now only iPad 7 and 8s will show up. And same thing if I wanted to clear, I only wanted to select blanks. Or if I had things highlighted, I could highlight things a specific color, and I can filter it out that way. I can filter by condition, by values, which is down here. And I'm going to select them all so they all come back. If you have any questions, please let me know and have a great day.